Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the absolute core materials, one textbook chapter, your class notes, and the exam outline. Focus on 10-15 high-yield items, definitions, formulas, and key diagrams because fewer facts stick better. Once chosen, set a 25-40-minute deep work block. This creates urgency and prevents drift. Make sure to have pens, sticky flags, and a clean page. You'll transcribe only essentials, not explanations. That leaves room for more topics and forces precise wording, exactly what short notes need. You now transform those 10-15 items into tiny, testable entries. For each concept, write a 1-2-line definition, then add a single formula or core fact on the next line. This keeps retrieval easy. Use consistent abbreviations and symbols so scanning is fast. Once done, add one short example when meaning is ambiguous. Make cards or page sections of 6-8 facts max. That density forces precision and speeds review. Finally, label sections with color sparingly, because color should guide. You finish by testing those notes. Read them aloud for 5 minutes and mark anything unclear. Then convert the toughest items into a question and answer pair or a one-sentence mnemonic so recall is automatic. Once done, organize cards by exam weight and schedule short spaced reviews. If things go wrong, your notes feel messy or dense, prune each topic to 3 lines: definition, core fact, and a cue. That immediate trimming fixes clutter and restores the short note advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.